Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add buttons to GetResponse emails quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Email Marketing in the left-hand menu. Then click Create Newsletter, or open an existing email draft. If you want to add a button to an email you already created, choose the Drag and Drop Email Editor option. Enter your email details like the subject line, sender name, and sender email address, then click Next. Now, choose a template or start with a blank email. Once you're inside the GetResponse email editor, look at the Content Blocks panel. Find the button block and drag it into the place where you want the button to appear in your email. Now click on the button to edit it. You can change the button text to something like Learn More, Buy Now, Get Access, or whatever call to action fits your email. Next, add the link you want people to visit when they click the button. This could be a landing page, sales page, product page, webinar registration page, or any other URL. You can also customize the button size, alignment, spacing, and design settings to match the style of your email. Once your button looks good, continue editing the rest of your email, then click Next to review your email. After that, you can save it as a draft, schedule it, or send it right away. That's it. You've successfully added a button to a GetResponse email. And if you're planning to use GetResponse, check out my recommended link in the description below. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 High-Converting Email Subject Lines for Affiliate Marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials.